Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you guys remember this banana I showed you a few days ago? It's getting bigger, isn't it? Yes, it is. And right next to it, I have another one that is shooting as well. I just love when my garden reproduces. This afternoon, I am heading out to harvest, I believe, 2 peppers. That's the only things I saw that is ready in my garden to be harvested. And the first one is going to be this lovely bell pepper that I have right here. I will not be leaving it out for the birds. So here I go. My first bell pepper harvest. Looking real good. I don't see any cherry tomatoes. And I have a few more peppers over there. I have to open this cage that I have here that I made out of chicken wire to get over there, guys. So let me open it. And then I'm stepping right in. Alright. Okay. So this is actually sweet pepper. The other one was a bell pepper. A few more here. I think I can get them with a little bit of green on them, because in a matter of days they are going to be as red as the other one I just picked. This one looks as if it's an orange one. I might have to get the scissors to get this one though. I need to go and get the scissors that I brought outside with me. So I have 4 so far. Alright, so I'm not using the scissors. I'm getting, I don't know what this is, a clipper or something. Okay. So I'm getting this one. This is an orange one, I think. Oops. Stepping on my tomatoes. And there's another one over here. And I'm getting careful. Do not want to damage anything over here because I might cry. I might cry. Alright. I believed I will be having a few more ready ones. These are already changing their colors. I saw a teeny tiny yellow one that looks like a chili pepper. Let me get that one, because I don't believe this one is getting any bigger at all. Okay, I think that is going to be it for my pepper harvest. Feels as if the rain is coming down. And my Scotch bonnet pepper is coming along. Haven't given me any fruits as yet. That's going to be it, guys. This is my little bounty. Bell pepper and sweet peppers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in another video.